Hello 5th class, this is page 132 question 1. So we're allowed to use our calculator, but first we need to estimate. So we've got to list these 4 children in order, starting with the one who spent the least percentage of their money. Okay, so Janet spent 4/9. 4/9 is a little bit under half, but slightly over a third, so somewhere between 33% and 50%. Fred spent 7/16, that's just less than half, less than 50%. Rob had a third left, so he spent 2/3. So this is the part we need to work out here. I know that's about 66%. And Ava spent 7/12, so that is 6/12 will be half, so it's just over 50%. Now in our calculator again, we're going to work out the exact percentages. So if we start with Janet, she was 4/9. That's 4 divided by 9%, 44.44. So that's her percentage. That's what she spent. Fred was 7 divided by 16%, 43.75. So that's less. Then Rob was 2/3, 2 divided by 3%, 66.66. And then Ava, she spent 7/12, 7 divided by 12%, 58.33. So then if we look at their names, we can see the person who spent the least was Fred, so he's 1. Then Janet, that's 2. Then Ava is 3, and Rob is 4.